If you have a guest that comes to your house during Shabbat, are you taking on his averot if it's been more than 3 times and the guest came over? Okay, so in essence, you're saying that someone is coming over your house and is not just someone coming over your house, but if someone is driving to your house on Shabbat or is leaving your house by car. In essence, they're desecrating Shabbat as a result of coming to your house. Now, to invite that person once, twice, to help them do tshuva, yes, you can. But by the third time, you have to tell them, listen, if you're going to come to my house on Shabbat, you have to stay there. You can't drive on Shabbat. And you say, well, it's my life. You're right, it's your life. But if you're driving to my house and driving, that means I'm enabling you. I'm enabling you to sin, and that I cannot do. That means I become a partner with your sin. So if a person continues to invite people that are driving on Shabbat to his house, knowing that they know that they're not allowed to drive, and they are in essence still inviting them, then they're certainly a partner to the crime. They're certainly considered as if they drove on Shabbat themselves. Anyone that wants to see proof of it could look at the Gemara, Masechet Shabbat, page 54b, I believe it is a couple of examples, 54, 55, and 56, a few different examples. In Masechet Shabbat, one of them is Rabbi Lazar ben Azariah, who was in essence judged in heaven as if he violated Shabbat because he did not tell his neighbor that was a widow that she has to remove the burden that was on her cows. In essence, her cow was carrying bells on Shabbat, and he felt bad to rebuke her. He felt bad to tell her not to do it because she was a widow. But he was judged as if he desecrated Shabbat. And when he found this out through Ruach HaKodesh, he fasted for 19 years until all of his teeth turned black, just to do tshuva for one time that he didn't tell his neighbor to remove the burden from her cow. She herself wasn't carrying anything on Shabbat. Her cow was carrying something, but it was considered as if Rabbi Lazar ben Azariah was partners to that because he did not rebuke her. So if you are knowingly inviting somebody to your house on Shabbat and that you know that they're going to drive on Shabbat, then you have to tell them they're not allowed to drive on Shabbat. And if they continue saying, no, I'm going to come and I'm going to drive anyway, then you can't invite them anymore.